What is up, YouTube? Do you want your videos to really and truly pop? I mean, they're going to be amazing looking videos that are really going to grab attention. If so, stay with me. I've got something really, really exciting. That's an example. But seriously, I'll tell you all about it in just a minute. It's all coming up in my review of Toon presenters. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I wear one of these guys pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. If you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. That's probably the mortar that this guy was laying the bricks with. I mean, seriously, he's been doing it for ages and he never changes. Guy, go make some fresh cement. Seriously. Anyway, but seriously, if you are if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: I review software and info products, and in this case, video packs. And to make my online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's actually quite simple. It's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Really, Bart? Every day, every single day? And these are good, by the way. You saw them, right? Guys, never satisfied. Never, ever satisfied. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. I love Liz. How can I say no to her? She's such a sweet person. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure that you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are on the sales page for Toon Presenters. This is a brand new set of animated video assets from my friend Shelly Penny. And it's a really, really nice set. Actually, I'm going to show you the members here in just a second. I'm showing the sales page over here. And of course, it comes with a ton of bonuses as well. I'm going to tell you about my custom bonuses in just a second. Basically, what these are, they're ready-made animations that you can use in your own videos. I've used these before. They're really, really worth picking up because they're really, really cheap. Like under 20 bucks, I think. This is actually a preview of the sales page, so I don't actually have the buy button here to show you what the price is. But anyway, but I do want to tell you about my custom bonuses first of all, because I always have the best custom bonuses in the industry, no matter what. So let me go ahead and pull up my list real quick. I'll tell you all about it. So first and foremost, what I'm going to be giving you, I'm going to give you a license to my very own white collar PLR. And you can go ahead and actually integrate some of these assets into white collar PLR. Basically use the videos together with them. So that's going to be a really, really cool thing. White collar PLR, by the way, currently is going for $20. So that alone is well worth it. Now, in addition to that, I'm going to give you a set of green screen assets. These are basically going to be materials that you can actually use to create a background image. And when you pick up white collar PLR, you'll see that the intros all have a presenter and they have a background, which is a green screen. You get the green screen version as well as a version with them already in the background. You'll have additional assets that you can go ahead and use white collar PLR with when you pick it up from me. On top of those two things, I'm also been giving you the slideshow video builder #1 and 2. These are a set of basically they're designed to help you build slideshows using PowerPoint. Very, very great stuff. And finally, I am going to give you social contest. This is a piece of software that will actually let you set up social contests in order to create viral campaigns to get other people to go ahead and sign up to your list. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the members area. There's not a whole lot to see here. This is the members area. You can see it's just basically downloads in order to go ahead and grab all of the videos. There's a lot of them here. They come in 4 different versions. There's a GIF version, MOV version, PNG, and SWF. Now, obviously, the PNG and SWF, if you're not familiar, by the way, GIF is the moving image. I'm going to show you a couple of examples in just a second. MOV is actually a video file. It is officially the Mac video file, but you can use it on Windows or anything else. Everybody reads MOV files. And then PNG files are basically static files, so they're not going to move. It can be more like these guys over here that you see here. This guy's just standing there. That's going to be what you're going to get with the PNG. And SWF files are actually really, really cool. Those are what are called vector graphics. And while they're not animated, what they actually can do is scale to any size without losing any resolution. If you take a look at a standard image, like a regular PNG image, for example, and you scale it really, really large, it becomes pixelated. That's because they're designed basically around a certain number of pixels. The pixels are basically the little dots on the screen. And there's millions of tiny little dots, but if you make it too big, then it starts to basically look really, really crappy. When you have an SWF file, it uses a math formula to create the image, and so this way you could scale it to the size of the Empire State Building, and you would not lose any image quality. You might need a computer with a heck of a lot of memory in order to scale it that big, but you can do it if you have that ability. Okay, and then you see there's a whole bunch of bonuses here as well. Health and fitness animations, and of course you also have the bonuses from me as well. So definitely some really, really nice stuff here. Okay, and let me show you a couple of examples. I pulled up a few of them so you can see here. This is just one example of a guy basically just like, showing off his little pie chart. And you can insert this into any video you like. You can insert it into the White Collar PLR videos that I'm giving you. Okay, here's another one with a guy climbing the ladder. I like to think of him climbing the ladder of success. Or this guy who you saw earlier, he's laying bricks, and he kind of interrupted me at the beginning of my video. So that's basically just a few examples. You actually get, I think, 1,500 of these. So a really, really nice selection. A huge, huge number of them. And let's see if I can give a tip match the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
But that was pretty obvious. Of course, I'm giving a tip of my hat. Shelly always makes really, really nice graphics assets. I actually worked with Shelly to launch my very own premium e-cover, and she's always been known for doing graphic stuff. She's really, really good at this stuff, and definitely worth picking this up from her. Really, really nice stuff, Shelly. Congrats on this launch. This one's a good one.